Demolition hammers will blast through unwanted driveways and walls, clearing a path for new construction. Having the best demolition hammers is essential for a contractor or for someone looking to get renovation work done. Using the right tool that suits one's needs ensures safety and the effectiveness of the device. Improper demolition can increase costs, compromise the structural integrity, and present serious safety hazards. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The DEWALT D25901K comes with 14.0 amp motor, which provides high performance and overload protection. It has Shock's active vibration control, which reduces vibration, resulting in less user fatigue and more productivity. It has non-air pumping beat piece, which eliminates masonry dust from entering the unit, extending tool and seal life. Also, the variable impact control dial, which ensures accurate impact energy depending on the application. Large on-off rocker switch allows for easy single-finger operation. Besides, it features spring-loaded dust seals that keep ingress and contaminants from entering the tool. Moreover, the side handle rotates 360 degrees around the machine and has a 150-degree lateral adjustment for flexible handle configuration options. It delivers between 3.7 and 18.5 foot-pounds of impact energy, allowing you to match the performance according to your needs. The Bosch 11316 EVS provides maximum chipping and chiseling muscle in a 14.0 amp hammer that weighs only 22.5 pounds. It delivers 12.4 foot-pounds of impact energy for professional power and terrific performance to weight ratio. It offers constant response circuitry for constant load under pressure as well as smooth starts. Also, it has a Vario lock positioning feature, which allows the user to rotate the chisel for maximum working angles. Besides, it has a 360-degree auxiliary handle that provides a wide range of hand placement, as well as a padded rear handle for added operator comfort. Another advantage is that the variable speed dial lets you choose from 6 speed settings, appropriate for chipping everything from plasterwork up to concrete, and the circuitry will keep your set impact rate constant between no load and load conditions. The Makita HM1317CB offers a powerful 14.0 amp motor which delivers 730 to 1450 BPM to handle the most demanding applications. It comes with anti-vibration technology, is an internal counterbalance system that significantly reduces vibration and directs more impact energy to the work surface for increased user comfort and higher productivity. Also, the constant speed control automatically applies additional power to the motor to maintain speed under load to complete the most challenging of jobs. Besides, it has an LED service light that notifies the user approximately 8 hours before the brushes need to be replaced. Another added feature includes field core interlocking, steel laminations, dual ball bearing armature, and large surface commutator, resulting in the most efficient transfer of energy for more power and longer tool life. The Hitachi H45MEY comes with an ultra-efficient AC brushless motor that permits the use of extra long extension cords without power loss, extends product life, and eliminates maintenance of armatures or carbon brushes. It offers superior performance when using a generator due to an internal inverter circuit that regulates an uneven power supply. Also, it uses user vibration protection technology to dramatically reduce vibration for comfortable extended use and fewer vibration-related injuries. Besides, it provides a 360-degree adjustable side handle for optimal comfort and control. Moreover, the aluminum housing body construction significantly enhances the internal and external durability of the tool. It gives 9.9 foot-pounds of impact energy for busting through hard material. Another advantage is that it has 1,150 watts of input power for increased productivity. The Extreme Power US is made of durable material, and the forceful impact provides maximum removal for all-day demolition. It has an anti-vibration system that actively improves user comfort, and the innovative design offers better weight distribution in both vertical and horizontal applications. Also, the rotating chisel locks into different positions to optimize work angles and speed. Besides, the plastic handle is designed to prevent users from electric shock. It delivers up to 1,400 blows per minute, so you'll be able to do more work in less time. Moreover, it is combined with the 2,200 watt motor, and the jackhammer allows you to be more proficient with your work. And in at first place among the list of the best demolition hammers, we have the DEWALT D25980K. It is a robust and durable tool that demolishes concrete, sidewalks, and roads. It has a 15 amp soft start motor that cuts down on bit walking while preventing overload, and rubber covered handles prevent fatigue, so you can work longer and more comfortably. To avoid jarring vibrations from stressing your body and sacrificing control, it features an active vibration control system. Also, it has rubber-coated handles, which provide greater comfort and control. Besides, the hammer truck provides easy transportation of pavement breaker. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you thought we did well with this video, and subscribe to get more videos like this in the future. Go ahead and press the bell icon if you want to get instant notifications every time we upload a new video.